Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to my first video of 2022. I did post a video in 2022, but it was made in 2021. So semantics, I know. But anyways, this is the first video that I'm recording in 2022. I'm very happy to start off a new year. I'm very excited to see what this channel brings me as far as new subscribers, people that I'm making contact with. They're so supportive of my work, so I'm just so thankful for everyone who's been here with me in this art journey. If you saw the last video, I'll put a card in for this so you can get back over there and see it. I made a piece. It was not dry, so I'm going to pipe in the dried result right now. So I put 2 coats of Liquitex gloss varnish on this. It came out fantastic. This gold lines running through it just really sets this piece off. I'm so happy with it. So all right, so I also want to let everyone know that I have officially opened up an Etsy store. Here is the link for it. I'm going to be taking photos of all my past pieces of art that hasn't sold so far and put them up on my Etsy shop. So if you're interested in any of those, please go there. Or if you want to contact me directly, you can do that as well. You can reach me at briansuppervalleyartistry@gmail.com. I'm also going to get an actual website up and running, but it's taken me a little longer to do that. It's a lot more complicated. I want to set up a website that I can sell my art. So I'm going to see how the Etsy store works out as well. So, all right, guys. So today I am going to do an open cup pour. I'm very excited about the colors. I'm actually only using 4 colors. I'm keeping it very minimal. So I'll get you down on the canvas. We'll talk about the canvas size and the colors. Okay, I'll be right back. All right, what I got here is a 20 by 24 gallery wrap canvas. I've got it taped and pushed in on the back. And I'm only using 4 colors, 5 if you count the base coat. So today I'm going to use a base coat of white. It's the Blick Acrylic White. The other colors I'm going to use is Pebeo Studio Acrylics in the iridescent blue-green. I'm using Amsterdam in the greenish blue. I'm also using Atelier in the indigo blue-black. This is a gorgeous color. And then I'm also using I'm also using DecoArt Americana Decor in the metallics 24 karat gold. My paints are mixed with Liquitex Gloss Pouring Medium. And what I used for this is 1:1 on paint to gloss medium, and then about another 2 parts Floetrol, and then about another 1.5 parts of water. So I get a little thinner consistency. This is that indigo blue-black, which is just beautiful. But I want a slightly runnier consistency versus my ring pours. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to flood the canvas with the white, and then I'm going to use a smaller cup here to do the open cup. And so what I'm thinking about doing, instead of doing multiple places with the cup, I'm going to pour in the paint, scoot it out, pour some more, scoot it out that way, and maybe make like an arc, and then we'll see what we get. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and get this white on the canvas. So I think what I'm going to do is start about right here. Pour some white around. All right, I'm going to start with the indigo blue black, greenish blue, as I pour the paint, now you can start to see it coming out from under the lip. We're going to do it again. The cells that are popping up are gorgeous. I think I'm going to do just a little bit more. Got some beautiful, beautiful cells happening here. Really love this here. Gorgeous. Okay, so what I'm doing, I'm just giving this a few minutes to kind of let everything happen, let the cells come up. This really is beautiful over here. I really want to try to keep this. I'm going to try to keep some negative space, maybe. We'll see how the tilting goes. Put a little of that white down as to help that flow. All right, let's try this now. These colors worked so well. I'm loving this indigo blue and how it plays with the greenish blue. Really, really stunning. The stretched out cells, I mean, there's just so much. No silicone, just so cool. I think I'm gonna leave this right where it is. I'm not gonna touch it. All right, what I'm gonna do is I am going to clean up my edges, get some white on some bare areas that I'm seeing, and then I'll bring you in for a close-up. All right, here we go. I'm going to bring you in here for a close-up, starting up in the left-hand top corner. All right, everyone, I cannot show you the dried result right now. I am leaving for work tonight, so I will have to show you this when it's dry in my next video. Talk to you soon. Have a great day. Bye-bye.